Hello, Peace Weapon here. So today we have this Avis Vela, and I believe this is the 2000 MX model. That's slightly different from the 1000 model because it has this extra bitting on this side, but despite that, these are mostly just passive security pins, so they are not going to influence the picking. Also has this extra pin here that is mostly key control, and it's overall a very simple pick, so pretty easy to pick. Let's see how I pick it. So here we go. Let's try from this side. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, a little click, 6, 2, another click, another click on 1, small click on 2, 5, 6, small click, 1, 2, 3, click on 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, we'll click on 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and have some counter rotation here, and here you go, it's open. Now to get this, it has a very interesting system. This is a modular system, so close it again, and I only need to get this and rotate it like that. Now I should be able to remove 1/2 like this, and we are ready to cut. So here you have it. All the key pins are standard. There are two pulls in 2 and 4, and 2 pins with like T-pins, sort of barrels. Small lip there, but not too effective. And then we have the passive pins that are sprung. And a special pin looks like a pin in pin. It has a spring. So let me see if it's possible. Doesn't seem that they separate, but it has a spring. They're basically all passive pins, so mostly key control. In everything else it's a pretty straightforward pick. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hello again. As I was assembling and picking again, I noticed something. I tried to make a 360 and at this moment it stops. So if you remember, the opening was facing the other way at rest, so I'm at 180 degrees now, and it got stuck, doesn't move back or forth. And it appears that that special pin in the back is not all that passive, it's also a trap. So if I go there and try to touch it lightly, now it will open the rest of the way. So here we go. Once again, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.